my fellow Christmas trees. Want to talk to you guys for a second. I'm gonna stop doing cards for a while. I don't know how long a while is going to be quite honest. But it's going to be a while. I have stuff going in the background that I don't want to talk about, but it's gonna be a while. And yeah. I'll see you when I see you. Bye, guys.